Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to this channel again. In today's video, we will show you that how can you fix the error called keychain on your Pinterest application. So this error is usually happens in your Pinterest application or Pinterest on your Google Chrome or Pinterest on your any type of browser. So this error is quite normal and simple to resolve. How can you just solve this error inside your mobile phone? So for this, we just need to check one thing, that our phone's network is quite good and there is no problem in network connection or network speed inside my phone. So firstly, I will just put my phone on the flight mode for 3 or 2 seconds, and then I will switch off the flight mode. This is just to refresh my mobile phone or refresh my network. After that, we just have to do one thing, find our Pinterest application here among all the applications here like this on app manager or app menu on your mobile phone. After that, whenever you will see the Pinterest here, just tap it for 3 or 4 seconds like this, and you will see three options, that is select, and just hold your Pinterest application like this on your screen here and click on the app information option on the first like this. Here you will see there is a lot of option on this setting, that is open, force stop and uninstall. You don't have to click three of them, you just have to click on the first option just below this setting, that is storage usage. Click on that option here. Sometimes the storage on your application is junk, or due to unusual files or unusual virus, the app started lagging, and this may lead to this type of error happening of keychain in your Pinterest. So just click your cache from here. You can also clear all your data from Pinterest application to use it in a better efficiency. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.